ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right, yeah. I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right, yeah. I can only say that it feels right.
I am definitely pleased with the results. Let's go ahead and just do a little walk around. Again, it's been a really long time since she's got a good detail. Probably about, I don't know, almost a month now since she actually got like just a wash basically. Because like I said, I've been up at work and everything like that, and it's just been too rainy to do anything, and I guess she just sits outside, so there's no point in having to wash her just so it could get rained on like an hour later. I need that. Like I need that now. They're gonna show yours is gonna be the thick one, right? Oh yeah, way better. It's a lot more thicker. But that's yours, right? All right guys, so we went ahead and washed it up, looking really good. We're throwing on the iron remover right now, and afterwards we'll hit it with the tar remover. This is basically the first step of decontamination after the wash. That is all the iron getting washed away right there. Lighted or what? Are those like the scratches that you feel? Like
that contaminants, like little particles.
The rough side. And then, oh hell yeah. That's insane, dude. Shit you learn. Alright guys, so we spent like the last 30 minutes basically trying to decide if we're going to do a one step or a two step, basically trying different combinations, but probably what we're going to go with. So it's way better. So in case you guys are actually wondering, we ended up going ahead and using the classic polish from Shine Supply as well as the classic cut from Shine Supply as well, and a little bit of the 3D that he brought over here. He's using over there with the 3-inch, which I definitely would need in my life because all these little sections over here would be a pain if you were using just the regular 5-inch and so forth. So it's coming along. It's definitely been a long day and into the night already, but it's gonna be worth it when it's all done. Alright guys, so one thing about the spoiler is when you have a spoiler, make sure you pop the trunk open to get that little spot. So I don't know how many times I've seen people when they pop their trunk, everything else is all nice and done except this little spot right here. It's all freaking bad and shit. Went ahead and actually took off the license plate so we can go ahead and get every little spot This would piss me off in the future if everything else looked really good and this little spot didn't. So right now he's actually applying the IPA from Gion, right? Yeah, Gion. Don't know how to pronounce her name, but Gion. And basically, this is kind of what's to be expected once it's all done, basically. All right, guys. So the ceramic coating we're gonna go ahead and be using is from VVash. So shout out to VVash for actually hooking it up with this one. We're gonna go ahead and apply it to the Shelby GT500 right now after we just did the IPA. So it's looking really fresh. You guys can go ahead and see, but it's gonna look even better with VVash's ceramic coating. These are better? What you're here for. So that's when you it's ready to take off, right? When it turns like a rainbow purple kind of color. Damn. Definitely gonna be linking all the info. Shout out. Definitely helped out. Alright guys, so in order to know if it's worth it or not, we have to wait until tomorrow. So tomorrow morning I'm gonna go ahead and just check around, double check, make sure there's no spots that we missed or anything like that. With that being said, I will go ahead and see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, so I know the lighting is not the best right now. It's just kind of how the yellow lights give this kind of look into it on the camera, but it's looking really good. I went over right now, looked around, and I didn't see any spots that we didn't get. So with that being said, it's looking great, but it is still, I think probably we gotta wait another 8 hours or so before it's actually cured in. That would be like the 24-hour mark that we're supposed to wait. But I wanted to go ahead and make sure we didn't miss any spots. And with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and wait until tonight. I am just gonna go ahead and wait 24 hours to actually apply the Gion sealant right here. So I'll go ahead and apply that later tonight. It is raining still outside, so there's no issue just having it in here the way it is. All the cars outside are already wet and dirty anyway, so it doesn't really matter. So with that being said, I'll see you guys tonight. Guys, so we are out here. We're gonna go ahead and just do a little bit of test. As you guys can see a couple of water drops. I already kind of tried it, and I'm very satisfied. So again, we're just gonna go ahead and try to see the effect that it has on it. Love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Alright guys, so with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. I really appreciate you guys watching. Shout out to the boy for actually helping me for 13 hours, man. 13 hours it took to get to that point. And I'm very, very satisfied with it. I love it. And a huge thank you from the bottom of my heart. Really appreciate it. And especially will help me get my new setup started. He definitely showed me the ropes and definitely gave me all the knowledge. So really appreciate it. If you guys need any detailing in the 559 area, go ahead and just hit this dude up. I'll go ahead and leave his information again. Without further ado, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.